my practicum friends, how are you guys doing? This week is week 9, and we are going to be looking at approaches to learning, is what we're going to be doing. So let's check out what that document is going to look like. All right, approaches to learning. What we're going to be doing is looking at the art area in your classroom. And this involves in creativity. So approaches to learning has to do with how creative you are. It has to do with imagination. It has to do with how kids are looking at things in a different way. So music and dance and art, they're all involved in this domain. So we're going to look at the art area though for this particular assignment. So what I want you to do is start with number 1, answer the following questions. Is there an area in the classroom where children can sit and work on art or be creative? If so, what is in that area? What are the materials? So again, you got to answer all of these questions, okay? How often do the children go into that area? So observe it, notice it, take note on it. What do they do while they're there? And then I want you to take a picture of the area the way it is right now, right? Next, I've got some ideas for you. So this first part is what you're doing this week. Next, you're going to look at some of these different links that I've got for you, just giving you a lot of really cool ideas of what you can be doing with art. Then we're going to move on to number 3. Think about how you can improve or provide a new experience to the children regarding art. So again, get ideas from here. Look at this, guys. I'm handing it to you. I'm giving you ideas right there. So tell me, what is this experience going to be? Be descriptive. Tell me what you're going to do, what you're going to add, the materials, what the children do. All that kind of stuff is going to go in here. Then you're going to do it. So you're going to actually provide this. So this means I need a new picture of what the new art area looks like after you've added materials. After that, let the kids have a chance to work in the area, see what's going on, and then you're going to do, of course, your reflection, which is what we always do as good teachers at the end. What was the children's reaction to your art area? What did they engage in? What did they work on or do? Reflection as a teacher. How did you enjoy this experience? Were you surprised by the children's reaction to things? And would you do anything different than anything else? All right. So this is a really nice and simple basic. Just come up with something for art with the kids. Notice again what's in the classroom and how you can change the environment to help work on the learning with the children. Nice and super simple. Enjoy, enjoy, and I will talk to you again next week. Take care.